Today I'm calling out for better jollification or new year, new vibes, better enjoyment, and smarter way of doing things. And guess what? I can't believe I can talk naturally with my own voice. Isn't this amazing? In this tutorial, Coach Mira AI is going to show you exactly how to achieve these results. This is mind-blowing. Make sure you stick around. You're going to love it. Let me be honest, I borrowed Coach Mira AI voice to say all this.
I can't believe I can switch my voice from a feminine voice to a male voice. This gives the best result. In fact, I borrowed Coach Mira's AI voice to switch to a male voice. Coach Mira need a hide update to make Coach Mira AI tell you now how to achieve these results.
Have you ever imagined your pictures talking naturally just like real humans? Forget dream face. In this video, I'm going to show you free AI tools that can turn your images into realistic talking characters. Stay with me, this will surprise you. Now, the first tool we're going to use is called lipsync.ai. So just go to your browser and type lipsync.ai. So you have to first of all to sign in with your account, and once you sign in, you will be automatically given 300 extra credit, 300 credit, all right? Now we are going to select. You're going to see these options. You're going to see AI lip sync. You're going to see talking photo. You're going to see talking avatar. You're going to see singing photo, AI dialogue video. All right. So you're going to use talking photo for this. So you're going to select talking photo. I'm gonna select AI talking photo. So after selecting AI talking photo, here is where the option you're going to select and upload an image of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to upload an image. These are the images. So I'm going to choose one from this image. So I'm going to select this. Just select add. All right, as you can see, it has been automatically uploaded. Now the next thing you're going to do, you're going to see the second option, which is model select. So you're going to select the model of it, whether it's talking photo 1.0 or talking photo 2.0. The first one, it is kind of static. It is static. Your photo will just be talking and it won't give any body gestures at all. So I think we should work with talking photo 4.0. It consumes 4 credits. Let's work with this one. Now the next thing you're going to do is to input your prompt here. If you have any prompt you want to use, you can input it here. Then the second option as well, you can also upload audio here. Yes, your audio, you can upload it here. Then this one, you can as well record your audio here. So you can choose anyone that works with you. Okay, so I'm going to paste my prompt here. This is where I'm going to paste my prompt. After pasting my prompt, I'll scroll down. Okay, so you can as well switch on the subtitles, but I don't need the subtitles. While editing my video, I'll use the subtitles there, so I don't need this one. So after that, just select generate. Just select generate. As you can see, create success, close window, won't stop generation. Even if you've gone out and come back, you're going to see your work. So let's go to my creation. That's where you're going to see what you are generating. Okay, so go to my creations. You're going to see it there. So this is it is loading. Right, our video is ready. So let's play it and see.
In this tutorial, Coach Mira AI is going to show you exactly how to achieve results like this. Make sure you stick around. You'll love it.
Can you see that? Both the movement and the hand movement. I really love it. So after this, just click here and download. Click here and download. All right. So let's try out something else. I've downloaded my work. The next thing I'm going to do is to go back to talking photo. I'll go back to talking photo. All right, I will move over here and select talking photo. So I'll select talking photo. Then I've gone back here. I'm going to select talking photo. Yes, I'm already here. I'm going to click here and upload my image. All right. I'm uploading my photo. All right. So I'm going to select this one and add it up. My image is uploaded. All right. Then I'm going to select talking photo 4.0. 4.0. Yeah, 4.0. Remember, it has gestures. That's one of the reasons why I love it. Okay. And this one has best effect as well. This one has high quality output. So you can choose anyone you want, anyone that resonates with you, choose it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to record with my voice. Okay. So I'm going to pause this video after recording with my voice, then to work out with it. All right. So if you want to record with your voice, just select record audio. Okay. And click here. All right. Tap here. Okay. So let me record. I'll come back. I'm done recording. I'm going to select this green icon. And as you can see, the audio is uploading, as you can see. And the next I'm going to do is to scroll down and select generate. Yes, select generate. All right. As you can see, they said create success. Our video is generating. Now, let's see the results. Let's see the results. Today, I'm calling out for better jollification. Oh, new year, new vibes, better enjoyment, and smart. I'm going to try out this new AI tool. Okay, this is Murf AI. This is a voice changer. Let's say you are a male and you want to turn your voice to a feminine voice. You can just use this voice AI, Murf AI, to change your voice from male to female and from female to male. All right. Okay, so that is how to use this. So just go to your browser and type Murf AI, and it's going to bring you to this interface. So this to go to products, go to products. You're going to see voice changer. Okay, so select voice changer. I have to wait until it's done loading. Now, the next thing you're going to do is either you upload your voice, the one you've recorded with your phone, or you can record here. So I'm going to record here. So once I'm done recording, I'll come back. I'm done recording, so I'm going to choose any voice of my choice. You're going to see some voices. This is English, US/Canada. So if you click here, you're going to see other countries of your choice. You can as well see US, Canada, English, UK, English, Australia, English, India, and Spanish, Spain. So I'm going to choose this US and I'll choose this character. So I'm going to click on start changing voice. So we're going to wait for a few seconds to change the voice. So I'll come back. So let's listen to the voice. This is my original voice. It's amazing. Okay, now this is the voice that is changed for me.
It's amazing. Okay, meaning so super. I can't believe I can switch to any voice of my choice. Imagine switching from a feminine voice to a male voice. This gives the best results so far. In fact, I borrowed Coach Mira AI's voice to switch to a male voice. Coach Mira, you know, say Coach Mira AI, they hide updates now. Make she tell you now how to achieve this results. Okay, now I come to go.
This is beautiful. So the next thing you're going to do is to click here and you download. Click here and download. So after generating, after changing our voice with Murf AI, we are moving over to lip sync that video. All right, we are going to try out other to just relax. So I'm going to click on these three lines. After click on the three lines, I'll move over here, lip sync tools. Then I'm going to select talking photo just like I did previously. Okay, all right, now move over to talking photo. As you can see, it's already placed on talking photo. I'm going to click here and upload an image. Remember, we changed the image we chose previously. All right, so since I changed my voice to a male voice, so I'm going to upload a male image. I'm going to upload a male image. It's uploading. Now it's done uploading. Okay, now this is the image. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down. I'm going to select talking photo 4.0, and this is where I'm going to select upload file, the one I recorded with Murf AI. Okay, I'm going to select my media picker. Then I'm going to go to my audio and choose this week and scroll down. I'm going to select voice change. That is the audio I generated. So you're going to wait for a few seconds to upload the audio. Okay, it's uploading. So this is the audio. Remember, for you to use this lip sync, your audio shouldn't exceed 30 seconds. It accommodates 30 seconds and it is totally free. Okay, so after this, you're going to select generate. So we are generating our video. So in order to see your work, you have to select my creations. Okay, go to my creation. That's where you're going to see your work, how fast is loading. So this is it. This is how fast it is. This is the previous one I generated. This is the previous one I generated. I love this. I love this. I love this. So let's wait and see the amazing result. The video is ready. You're going to click here and download. All right, it's downloaded. Let me play it and see.
I can't believe I can switch my voice from a feminine voice to a male voice. This gives the best result. In fact, I borrowed Coach Mira's AI voice to switch to a male voice. Oh yeah, I know the hype up. Coach Mira know the hype update to make Coach Mira AI tell you now how to achieve these results.
My goodness, this is beautiful. You know, this voice is actually suits, you know, this character. It actually suits the character. You even think that is the character's voice without knowing that I was the one that was behind the voice. Yes, I was the one behind the voice. This is amazing. Okay, if you want to use your AI to create a content, I think this is an opportunity. You can generate 30 seconds video with this AI tool, and it is 100% free. It is free. You're not going to pay for anything. Okay, so we are done generating, we are done testing this AI. All right, if this is already blowing your mind, pause for a second, like this video, share it with someone who creates content, and follow or subscribe so you don't miss powerful AI tutorials. So the next thing I'm going to do is to move over to our browser, and we're going to type Dreamina. Yeah, Dreamina. You're gonna type Dreamina. Okay, so just type Dreamina AI. So it's gonna display something like dreamina.capcut.com. Yeah, these are most of the things I generated with it. These are most of the things I generated with it. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on here that is written Explore. So when you see Explore, you are also going to see AI image. Just click here. You're going to see AI video. This is AI video. I'm going to click AI avatar. This is where you upload your preferred AI avatar. Okay, so I'm going to upload this one. It's done uploading. I'm going to click on voice. So you can choose a variable voice of your choice. These are the voice. These are the male voice. These are the female voice. Okay, just choose the voice of your choice. Now, I don't want to use any of this voice. Now, there's something about this Dreamina that they've updated. You see here, it says the character says this, then the action, that's the description of the character, what you want the character to be doing, and the camera motion. You can as well paste it here, but I don't want any of this. I don't want any of this. I'm going to click here, and you see here that it's written upload file. You can as well upload your file here. Okay, you can as well upload your file. So I'm going to click on upload file. So we click on upload file, we're going to see this option record. You can as well record here. So I'm going to select record. Right, I've recorded my voice. I'm going to select upload audio. Then I'll go to media picker. Then go to media picker. I'm going to select this week and select my file. Go ahead and select my voice, which I recorded. So I'm going to wait. So as you can see, it has been uploaded. This is the voice I recorded. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hit here. I'm going to hit here and generate. I'm going to hit here and generate. So we have to wait. We are waiting, so let's wait. Right, so this video is ready. So I'm going to click on these three dots. The video is ready. Okay, I'm going to click on the video itself. I'm going to see this.
Let me be honest. I am very honest.
All right, so this is the way I'm going to download it. So click there and you download your work. All right, it's downloaded. Let's see the result.
Let me be honest. I borrowed Coach Mira AI voice to say all this. Yeah, this is it. my real voice.
Alright, so this is it. Yeah, you can try yours and see the results. Yeah, actually, it really tried. It wasn't too static. Yeah. And so the first one I generated, it was actually 14 seconds. I have to add up something else. So let's see if it's gonna finish it off. Tell you the things to do. Once you just sign in with your Dreamina AI, all right, so the first thing to do is to turn on your desktop side. As you can see mine, if you're using your smartphone, please turn it on. You select you see this three icon, three dots. Select it, scroll down. I'm gonna see desktop side, turn it on. As you can see, mine is displaying this good. Okay, then another thing you need to know is that you'll be given 120 credits, free 120 credits once you just sign in. And once you are done generating whatever thing you're generating, probably when your credits get exhausted, you only have to do is to scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see sign out. You see where to sign out. Okay, just sign out and switch another email. All right, so my video is generating. Now you can see your images don't have to stay silent anymore. With the right free AI tools, anyone can create smart, talking visuals. If you want more step-by-step AI, tutorials, content ideas, and creator tools, stay connected with me. This is Coach Mira AI. See you in the next video.